The storm last night done some more damage here. That hickory tree that broke off here a week or so ago that I had on a video, the rest of it broke off last night in that storm. It got bad. Over here's the rest of it. It's gonna make a lot of good firewood. This right here is what we're fixing to be sawing. Cedar 6x6s. Look at there at that big top. Boy, that's gonna make some real good firewood. There's my shadow. Hello, everybody. We're gonna make 1/2-inch boards out of that cedar down to a 6x6. These 1/2-inch boards, we use them inside of closets sometimes to seal the closet in little cabin style houses. This is what we've got here. I think they're 16 foot long, 2 of them, and a few of them 14, I think. No, may have been 12. It's been a day or two since I put them on here. We've been on that trip, and I loaded these up before we left. This log has gotten too far back this direction. This black mark right here is as far as I can saw. So you see that log is back past it. I've raised these rollers up right here and at the other end. I'm going to try to push the log back that direction some more. It just got loaded onto the skids a little too far back. It happens sometimes, but we're going to have to try to roll it forward.
Anybody want a cookie? They're hot off the sawmill.
So let's get the old mill fired up. I'm turning these logs a little more than normal because I'm trying to get a real good clean 6x6. Some of the logs are just barely big enough to make a 6x6. When I say a clean 6x6, I mean one with no bark on it. But that blade's pretty sharp. It's cutting through there like a hot knife through butter. That's a blade that I've sharpened myself. Pretty cedar 6x6s. Some of them 16 foot long. We got some good 1/2 inch stuff over here too. We got an edge up out of it. Make some good 1/2 inch stuff to seal up a room or a closet. A lot of people around here likes to put it in closets. It's supposed to help keep the moss out of your clothes. That's some long stuff too. Anybody can seal up a big room with that. Be pretty in a cabin or something. First time I've been back at Sawmill in a few weeks. Maybe I'll be getting some more Sawmill videos up. I think I've got some pine to saw tomorrow. I'll try to record some of it. But this is Burntchurch. I thank you for watching and I pray God blesses you. I'll see you in the next one.